In open cholecystectomy, incision, you decide the incision. You make a right subcostal cocker, or you make a right transverse, or you make a midline incision, depending upon if you are planning for CBD exploration or cholecystectomy along with that. The principle still remains the same. Give the incision, go down, skin, subcutaneous tissue. Scarpa's fascia, Camper's fascia is being, incised, and then you go deep down to incise the anterior rectus sheath, then the rectus muscle, then posterior rectus sheath, and then you go all the way to the peritoneum. You open the peritoneum. And then the gallbladder is being identified on the posterior inferior surface of the liver. Again, just identify the callus triangle, ligate the cystic duct, ligate the cystic artery, and after clipping these ducts and artery, do the dissection with the help of a cautery, remove the gallbladder from the bed of the liver, and then just hold it with the forceps or the Babcock, and then just remove it, and then just you have to secure the homeostasis, and you have to do the closure in a reverse order. The only thing is the incision length and the time for open cholecystectomy. But in case of the complicated cases, more of the like in case of the anomalies, open cholecystectomy is really, like I told you in the beginning of the lecture, the caterpillar turn, and there was morphological changes in the right hepatic and a common hepatic and a callus triangle. So in those complicated cases in which you have already done with a MRCP and you know the little bit anatomy, you can convert the lap to open cholecystectomy, or you can initially plan the open cholecystectomy as compared to the laparoscopic cholecystectomy. The closure should be done in a reverse order, but there pneumoperitoneum was created, but here no pneumoperitoneum is created, and you just have to close the peritoneum, and you just have to close all the abdominal layers in the reverse order.